Hello guys, I'm going to be doing another video showing you how I braid my poo-poo's hair. This is the middle of the week. It's not wash day. Wash day isn't until Saturday. I recently took her other style out that I have my other video posted on of me doing her hair. And I just want to share with you this particular style. She had 4 ponytails earlier in the week, so I thought I'd just share this style that I'm going to do with you. I basically have it parted down diagonally. It is going, I don't know if you can see it. Let me pick the camera up here. But this is how it's parted. Like in a crisscross type of design. But slanted. Like so. I'm going to put them in poofs so that way you can see it a little bit better. But that's what we're going to be doing today. These are my same products. And the product buildup you see up is just that Pantene. Like I said, it's not wash day, so I'm not ready to wash her hair, but she needs it combed. So this is basically the pattern that we have. Like so. You can see it a lot better. This is what we're working with right here. And I have my same products here, just water. And we used a new formula on the VO5, strawberries and cream. It now has all these oils in there. I love it. And the softee and that, and that's mixed with a little Echo Styler. And I'm just gonna start with this section here. Spray it so it's not tangly. I'm gonna part it here. Right on that slant. You can see. Go ahead and section it off. Take some of the grease. Pull a little scalp with the ends. And I'm going to take the gel, do the same thing. I'm going to come around and I'm going to braid this up. And I'm going to part here. And if your baby's wiggly, that's fine. She's very wiggly herself. Try to keep her content with her tablet and her favorite shows. She just want to be on the move. There's going to be 2 here on the 1st. Birthday party coming up pretty soon. Love giving parties. We'll definitely have a video on that. Here we're going to do the same thing. But this time, we're going to take this braid here and we're going to connect it. Braiding it down. Okay. Like so. You kind of see what I'm doing. Some of you probably already know. But now I'm going to make a part here. Right across the bottom. Okay, we're gonna grease. It's a little circle. Now you're gonna take hair, some more oil, not oil but the grease. Comb her hair out pretty well. That's just product. And I use these little hair ties here, ouchless. She wears her little hair in a little ball. But that's basically what we have. And I know the parting is not that perfect, but she's 2, and I think we're doing good as far as being still. That's basically what I'm going to do on these back parts. I'm going to come over to this section next. Just like I did. I'm going to come around to this side. And we're going to do the same thing. All the scalp is important to me when you're natural to use grease. I honestly don't know what the natural community has against grease. I grew up with getting my hair greased, and I still grease it. Off. We're gonna do a braid here. Take this braid, and once again, you're just gonna continue your pattern. This is your back. So I know the parting isn't perfect, but this is what we have. finished product. They'll see you. Alright, that is it. I think it turned out great. Just some I thought of off the top of my head. Thank you for the view and for the love. See you in the next one.